Hey, what's up, guys? Bilal Kassim, Managing Partner and CEO of Pacific Workers, the Lawyers for Injured Workers. I've been getting a lot of questions about what are the worst things I can do to mess up my own workers' comp case. And I've got three of them to talk to you about today. The first one is not getting treated. Oftentimes, people will think they're going to get better from an injury. They're not going to go seek a doctor out immediately. Unfortunately, that can hurt your case. The more time there is between an injury and between when you first seek treatment, the less likely it is the insurance company is going to pick up liability for your case and believe you. And ultimately, at the end of the day, we want to create continuity of care. And that means from day one up until the time you talk to the insurance company, there's a record of your injury, that you sought medical help, that there was a diagnosis there. It also helps build the case in case your employer tries to lie and say that you weren't hurt at work, which unfortunately happens quite often. The next component is not reporting your injury. Again, oftentimes people want to try and avoid reporting their injury to their employer because they feel as though they might be retaliated against, or ultimately they have a great relationship with their employer and they're afraid by reporting the work injury, it's somehow going to impact the employer. Well, it's only going to hurt the case. Ultimately, we want to make sure that we have our clients report their injuries immediately. Again, oftentimes, if there's a delay between when the injury occurs and when the injury is actually reported, it's less likely that the insurance adjuster is actually going to believe you. Additionally, if your employer contests that you were injured at work, you have the ability to show proof that you reported the injury right away. Third component is not keeping accurate records. Again, I can't tell you how many times I get into battles with defense attorneys when they have an employer witness who says that injury wasn't reported or the conversation never went the way our client says it did. And oftentimes, when our clients have record, it makes it easier. We encourage clients to keep a little black book of some sorts, meaning that they write down who they spoke to, when they spoke to, the first time they'd gone to medical care, which doctor they saw, a lot of facts that are pertinent to their case. So by avoiding these three mistakes, you can do wonders for your workers' comp case. It's ultimately about keeping good records, making sure you report things on time. Thank you.